The highlights we wanted to talk about today is our new MX system. It's a machine mountable product that we'll be releasing in the near future, and it's taking all the existing technologies that we have created up throughout the years and putting them into this new housing design. What we're doing is we have a base plate where we mount these products, and it's really reducing the amount of wiring and the assembly that it takes to put a machine together. We're trying to eliminate the cabinets completely, making the machine more modular, reducing the footprint, and getting the machine up and running a lot faster. Along with replacing modules on the machine for maintenance is very simple, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for walking up to a machine, scanning the code, and checking diagnostics. With the MX system, we're able to go from wiring a cabinet that takes maybe a week time frame down to a couple hours. With a simple screwdriver, attach everything, tighten it, and connect your cables. With the MX system, we're able to reduce the documentation as well. We're able to reduce the wiring diagram from maybe 24 pages down to 10. The whole process of creating a machine with the MX system is simplified greatly.